everyone, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a little bit of an unboxing. Yes, I already have taken these out of the box and looked through them, but I just want you guys to get the full experience of what it's like to open these. So I wanted to share them with you because, to be honest, I hadn't really heard of them and I didn't actually realize how good one in particular was. So I did want to share that with you basically. So, I mean, we love. These, as you can tell by the title, are two books, and I've never bought books from Louis before, so I didn't realize how cool the packaging is. So they come in like these envelopes with the cool little things on the back, like folders. So this is the French Riviera book. This is, I looked it up online just so I could give you the prices. I think it's $98 or $99, oh, I can't remember, but yeah, around that price. So it's just pictures of like the French Riviera, but they're like more retro style, older, like, I don't know, just things like this. So that's basically the book, like it's just photos like this, which is great for like picture books or like coffee table books or something like that. It's cool to have. They come with this, so this just tells you which different cities they have Paris, Geneva, Monte Carlo, British Columbia, Miami, Berlin, Bali, Morocco, India, Silk Road, which I don't know where that is, it's interesting, Shanghai, French Riviera, California, Saint-Tropez, Iran, ooh, Creto de Bury, and New York. But yeah, cool vibe if you are looking for just simply a coffee table picture book type thing. And if you are into like olden, sort of more retro vibe books, perfect for you, absolutely perfect. And the other one that I got, which this is the surprising one, like I didn't know about these, and this I think is going to be the start of a little collection. So the one that I was gifted is the Paris City Guide. Such a cool aesthetic to begin with. Love the packaging as always. So basically this would be perfect obviously if you are going to the city in particular, or if you just really want to know more about it, but particularly if you are going to the city, these would be such a great thing to read beforehand. And honestly, such a great gift idea because these are $56, so they are definitely expensive, but also relatively affordable, which is good. There are some little maps in it, but I do feel like if you were in the city, these probably wouldn't be enough to help get around if you had not been there before. So it goes through different events that happen throughout the year, so that's exactly why they like have to update them. Fun, I am so obsessed. So it just tells you different sites to obviously see, different places that they recommend to stay. Here, if you only have 24 hours in the city, what they would suggest, different restaurants, bars, cafes, tea rooms, so nightlife, different places to go out, of course where the Louis Vuitton stores are, and it just goes through different neighborhoods as well that are in each city. I was honestly just so surprised at how much I really like enjoyed this. They do come with stickers. These just have the little City Guide logo. Also these little circles. So if you come across something, you can put a little dot next to it. So it's a reminder that I guess you're interested in it. So again, this comes with a little piece of paper which shows you which cities you can get in the City Guide. They have a lot more in this version. So there's Paris, Sydney, Amsterdam, Bangkok, Moscow, or Moscow, I don't know how to say that now, Shanghai, Miami, San Sao Paulo, Chicago, Singapore, Cape Town, Madrid, San Francisco, Rio de Janeiro, New York, Rome, Berlin, Hong Kong, Mexico City, Lisbon, Beijing, Milan, Taipei, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Prague, Istanbul, Venice, London, and Seoul. So you can also download these on the App Store, which is cool, so you don't have to have the book. But I mean, for me personally, I love having things like this, so I wouldn't download it on the App Store, but I mean, that's each to their own. The books are so beautiful. They feel really nice. Would I recommend these? This one, 100%. I really, like, as I said, surprisingly enjoyed it. This one, for me personally, no. As I said, unless you're after a particular, just like a coffee table type book with just images in it, then yes, this would be the one for you. Once again, Louis, obsessed. It's one of my favorite brands, and it meant a lot that someone did actually purchase these, because Louis is not his vibe at all. If you have any questions, or if you want to know anything in particular about these two books, just put a comment down below. If you have either of these, I'd love to hear your thoughts on them as well, and which ones you have in the collection, because I definitely want to collect so many more of these in particular. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.